Today we're talking about a few websites that you can make $100 a day from. Or more. Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Like I said before, today we are going to talk about a few different websites that can make you $100 a day and more. Not every website is for everyone. So keep watching until the end of the video and see what website is best for you. After this. Okay. So, the first website we are going to talk about is Microworkers. It is an online platform that connects you to employers from around the world. Our unique approach guarantees that a task paid for is a task successfully done, while people that successfully complete a job get paid. All transactions are simple and quick, mostly completed in a few minutes. That is why they are called micro jobs. These tasks include data mining, data categorization, data tagging, data labeling, data matching, transcription, content comparison, content evaluation, surveys, research studies, application testing and much more. Joining Microworkers is free and available everywhere. Anyone can be an employer, anyone can be a worker. Or both. We suggest you scroll down the page and click on Facts for more details. Links to all websites in this video will be in the description down below. The second website is called Teespring. Teespring is a free and easy way to bring your ideas to life. Design your t-shirt for an example, set a price, add a goal and start selling. Teespring handles the rest, the production, shipping, and customer service while you keep the profit. The website helps you promote and sell your designs. You can make designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, bags and much more. All you have to do is sign up, for free. It's an easy way to start up your online business and start making some extra income. All you have to do is start uploading your designs. Be creative, make a lot of different designs and stand out. If you watch closely, I will show you how easy it is to create your own products, with basic editing and writing skills. They make e-commerce easy for everyone. So why not try it out? The third website is called Etsy. Let's take a look at the screen and see what Etsy is. It's a global marketplace for unique and creative goods. It's home to thousands of special, extraordinary items, from unique handcrafted pieces to vintage treasures. In a time of increasing automatization, it's our mission to keep human connection at the heart of commerce. That's why we built a place where creativity lives and thrives, because it's powered by people. We help our community of sellers turn their ideas into successful businesses. Our platform connects them with millions of buyers looking for an alternative, something special with a human touch, for those moments in life that deserve imagination. As a company, we strive to lead, with our guiding principles and to help spread ideas of sustainability and responsibility whose impact can reach far beyond our own business. You can sell from clothing and accessories to art, toys and even vintage pieces you might have around the house and never use. Like you can see on the screen as we scroll through what's on sale. There are thousands of unique and innovative products being sold on Etsy. If you have something unique to sell, or looking for something different to buy, you should definitely give Etsy a try. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, please comment below, and if you enjoyed the video, found it useful, or if you want to see more similar videos about online money making opportunities and guides, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Until next time.